Looking for mobile homes and manufactured homes plumbing, heating and drain services in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we specialize in reliable solutions designed for mobile and manufactured homes. From frozen pipes and clogged drains to water heater breakdowns and heating failures, our expert team provides fast, affordable, and 24/7 emergency service to keep your home running smoothly. Edmonton's cold winters make plumbing and heating maintenance essential, and we're here to help with expert repairs and preventive solutions. For trusted mobile homes and manufactured homes plumbing, heating and drain services in Edmonton, choose Kingstree Plumbing, where quality meets reliability.